Now we will see some questions on simple questions on AP. The first question is the general term of a sequence is given by an AN that is equal to minus 4n plus 15. One AN is given that is minus 4n plus 15. AN is minus 4n plus 15. And what is the question? Is the sequence an AP? We have to check whether the sequence an AP or not, right? So AN is equal to minus 4n plus 15, and one more question is if so, if it is an AP, find its 15th term and the common difference, right? So general term of an AP we are given. So how you can find out A1? A1 we can find out by putting n is equal to 1, right? So minus 4 into 1 plus 15, that is equal to minus 4 plus 15. Minus 4 plus 15 is equal to 11, right? Now what is A2? A2 is equal to minus 4 into 2 plus 15, that is equal to minus 8 plus 15 is equal to 7, right? So second term is 7. Now we'll find out one more term, A3, because then only we can find out the common difference. A2 minus A1 is D, and A3 minus A2 is also D, right? So A3 also we have to find out, that is minus 4 into 3 plus 15 is equal to minus 12 plus 15 is equal to 3, right? So three terms are, first term is 11, second term is 7, and third term is 3, and so on, right? Okay, now we have to check whether this sequence is an AP or not, right? So what is the D? D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is equal to 7 minus A2. A1 is, the first term is 11 and second term is 7, right? So second term minus first term, that is 7 minus 11 is equal to minus 4. Now it is same as D, we can find out by subtracting A2 from A3 also, right? So A3 minus A2 is equal to, what is A3? A3 is equal to 3. 3 minus 7, that is equal to minus 4. Now you can see that D is constant, right? The common difference is constant. Difference between two numbers, two terms is constant here. What is the constant number here? Minus 4. So we can say that D is equal to minus 4 is constant. It is a number, that is same number is repeating everywhere, is equal to minus 4. Therefore, it is an AP. Therefore, it is an AP. This sequence is an AP, right? It is an AP. This sequence is an AP. Now the second question is, if so, find its 15th term and the common difference. Common difference we found out already, that is D is equal to minus 4, right? D is equal to minus 4. This is the common difference. Now you want to find out what is the 15th term. That is A15 is equal to A15. One general term we are given here, that is minus 4 and plus 15, right? This is the general term we are given in the question. So by substituting n is equal to 15, we will get this A15. So it is minus 4 into 15 plus 15, right? So what is minus 4 into 15? That is minus 60. Minus 60 plus 15 is equal to minus 45. So the 15th term is minus 45. Now the next question is the nth term of an AP is 6n plus 11. Find the common difference. That is the nth term. An is equal to 6n plus 11 given. That is a general term we are given. An is equal to 6n plus 11 we are given. Find the common difference. We have to find out D. What is D? Right? So an is equal to 6n plus 11. That is A1. We can find out A1 from this. 6 into 1 plus 11 is equal to 6 plus 11 is equal to 17, right? Now what is A2? A2 is equal to 6 into 2 plus 11 is equal to 2 6 are 12. 12 plus 11 is equal to 23. So first term is 17 and second term is 23, right? It is an AP. No need to prove it. It is an AP. It is given the question. That is, it is an AP, right? So what is D? D is equal to A2 minus A1. That is equal to 23 minus 15. 23 minus 15 is 6. So the common difference is 6. Now the question number 3 is if the 8th term of an AP is 31, that is 8th term we are given, that is A8 is equal to 31, and the 15th term is 16 more than the 11th term, right? So A8 is equal to 31. From this we can make one equation, right? A8, what is AN? AN is equal to A plus nth term of an AP is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So what will be A8? A8 is equal to A plus 8 minus 1, that is 7D. A plus 7D is equal to 31. We are given this in the question itself. A plus 7D is equal to 31. Okay, we'll put it as equation number 1, right? Now, what is given? Next one more condition we are given in the question. What is it? Term of an AP is 31 and the 15th term is 16 more than the 11th term. 15th term, that is A15 is equal to A15 is equal to 16 more than 16 more means it will be adding, right? 16 plus 11th term, 16 more than 11th term, that is 11th term is A11, right? So A15 is equal to 16 plus A11. This is the condition we are given from the second, that is, and the 15th term is 16 more than the 11th term, that is A15 is equal to 16 more than 16 plus more than 11th term, that is A11, right? Now we'll simplify this and we'll find out D from this equation. So what is A15? A15, all of you know that AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So A15 is equal to A plus 14D. Right, children? A plus 14D. 15 minus 1 is 14, right? So A15 is equal to A plus 14D is equal to 16 plus, what is A11? A11 is A plus 10D, because AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A11 is equal to A plus 10D, right? Now we see this equation, LHS as well as the RHS. You see this, left side 1A plus A, right side also 1A. So if you are subtracting, it will become 0, right? That's why I have cancelled. A and A will get cancelled because it will become 0. Left side 1A, right side also 1A. So A minus A is equal to 0. So that's why I get cancelled. Okay, we can cancel this. Now 14D and 10D, right? So 14D minus 10D is equal to 16, right? So 14 minus 10 is 4D. 4D is equal to 16. Now we can find out D from this. D is equal to 16 upon 4 is equal to 4, right? So D, common difference is 4. But here the question is find the AP. For framing AP, we have to get A and D. Then only we can frame one AP, right? One arithmetic progression, right? So next one we have to find out what is A. D we got it from the second equation, right, children? Now we have to find out what is A. Now after getting D, we have to find out A. How we can calculate A? We are given one equation, that is A8. A8 we are given in the question. A8 is equal to A plus 7D is equal to 31, right? So D, after getting D, we can substitute this D in this equation 1. Right? So A plus 7 into what is D? D is equal to 14. 14 is equal to 31. So A plus 14 7s are 7 4s are 28, 2 7 7s are 7, 7 plus 2 9. So A plus 98 is equal to 31. So A is equal to 31 minus plus 38 plus 98 on the left hand side. So transpose of 98 is minus 98, right? So 31 minus 98. So 98, 31, 7, 9 minus 3 is 6. So minus 67, because 98 is the biggest number, that too negative. So it is minus 67. So A is equal to minus 67. Now we'll frame one AP. How to frame one AP? First term is minus 67, right? First term is minus 67. Then second term will be minus 67 plus 4, right? So that is equal to minus 67 plus 4 is minus 63, right? Minus 63. So the next term is minus 63 plus 4, that is equal to minus 59, right? Minus 59 minus is minus 59, right? Now next term also we can find out by adding 4 with each term, right? Each term, hence we will be getting the succeeding terms, right? Is minus 59 plus 4 and so on. So what is the AP? AP is minus 67 minus 63 minus 59, then minus 55 and so on. This is the AP, right? Now the fourth question is which term of the arithmetic progression 5, 15, 25 and so on will be 130 more than its 31st term. Okay. Now first we'll write let nth term be 130 more than its 130 more than its 31st term. Let nth term, okay, let nth term be 130 more than its 31st term, right? So nth term is an, right? So an must be equal to, will be more than, that is 130 more than. So 130 plus more than, so we have to add it, right? 130 plus 31st term, that is A31, right? So an is equal to 130 plus A31. This is the condition we are given in the question. Which term of the arithmetic progression? So we are assuming that let nth term be the 130 more than its 31st term. So an is equal to 130 plus A31, right? So AP we are given like this, 5, 15, 25 and so on, right? So what will be A? A is equal to 5 and what is the common difference D? D is equal to 15 minus 5 is equal to 10, right? A is equal to 5 and D is equal to 10. Now we are going to substitute this value, that is what is AN? AN formula is A plus N minus 1 into D, right? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. That is equal to 130 plus, what is A31? A31 also write the formula, that is A plus 30D. A plus N minus 1 into D, that is A plus N minus 1 into D. So A31 is equal to A plus 30D, right? 30D. That's why A plus 30D. Write like this, A plus 30D. Okay. Now here left hand side LHS we are given 1A and right hand side also AA. Both are same, 5 and 5. So 5 minus 5 will become 0. That means we can cancel this. Left side 1A, right side. So it get cancelled, right? Then N minus 1 into what is D? D is equal to 10, right? So N minus 1 into 10 is equal to 130 plus 30 into D. What is D? D is equal to 10. Again the value of D is 10. That is equal to 130 plus 300. That is equal to 400 and for 300 plus 130 is 430, right? So N minus 1 into 10 is equal to 430. So N minus 1 is equal to 430 upon 10. Then 0 cancel, that is equal to 43, right? So N minus 1 is equal to 43. Therefore, N is equal to 43 plus 1 is equal to 44. That means 44th term is 130 more than its 31st term, right? That is A44. 44th term is 130 more than its 31st term. Now the fifth question is, what is the general term of the series 4, 7, 10, 13 and so on? What is the general term? So here a is equal to 3. First term is not 3, sorry. A is equal to 4. First term is 4. And the second term, that is a1 is equal to 4 and a2 is equal to 7, right? Therefore, d is equal to, common difference is equal to a2 minus a1, that is equal to 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. So, a1 is equal to 4 and d is equal to 3, right? So, next we have to find out the general term. General term is an. Okay, what is the nth term? General term of this AP. An formula is a plus n minus 1 into d, right? A plus n minus 1 into d, right? So what is a? A is same as a1. So 4 plus n, general term we have to find out. So n minus 1 into d is 3. That is equal to 4 plus n into 3 is 3n. 3n minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. n into 3 is n is multiplied with 3, that is equal to 3n, and minus 3, that is equal to 4 minus 3 is 1, that is 3n plus 1. So general term of this AP is equal to an is equal to 3n plus 1. This is known as the general term of this AP, 3n plus 1.